200 calories right there. Got that. Look, this video is about documents. It's not about calories. It's about how to actually get a document sent over to a prospect, how to create documents, and how to send documents. I think I said that already. All right, so let's get into it. Basically, the way it works is just like any DocuSign service you've ever used before. And if you haven't used a DocuSign service, it's made out of templates. So you have templates, and then you have the documents that you've sent, right? The one that are in a draft, which means that you're working on, the ones that are in waiting for others to sign, completed, and if they pay any payments on the documents, it will show right here. So we're gonna go ahead and go to templates to start this off. We have to have some kind of template to go off, or we can upload our template or choose one of the templates in the template library. You're probably not gonna do that if you're not one of these businesses. So we're just gonna go ahead and build our own and create our own or upload it. All right, basically the way it works is we can upload our text, right? So we can add a text, we can add an image, we can product table, whatever. And then we can add fields for folks to fill out. For instance, like a description, this would be filled out by the contact. We can add the contact and what they're supposed to be doing. We can edit the template as well. Once you make edits here, it will change the entire template. So we can take this out, for example, and we can change it to, says 30 days. Signing this contract. Closing will be held at to be decided, and then inspection as well. We can just change it and make it 17 days. Right now, go to 17 days. And then this is, of course, the contact. This is what they fill out. So we're going to go ahead and use the template. Once we click on use template, then we can add our contact, the person who's supposed to get the template. So in a moment, we're going to add it. So in this case, it will be, let's see real quick. So it's going to be 765. 506. So it's going to be this name right here. And the full address is already going to be pre-populated by what's available. And then we're going to do basically the deposit. So usually we can allow this person to fill out the deposit, or we can just type it in right now, which is in this case going to be $100. And then now we can make edits to this as we're using it. It's not going to change the template. The template is going to stay the same. We're going to delete the cash to seller. We're going to delete this, and we're going to do the total price, which is 50K. And that's it. This is pretty much it. We have the inspection period. This is the buyer. So this is us. Basically, we can delete this as well and have our name in here as the buyer, or we can just leave it. So this looks good. So we got the deposit. We can highlight it too, just to give them, and then we're going to hit send. Once we send it, we can't make any edits, but we can always send it into the draft and make edits, right? So we can edit it again. Now we can hit resend and copy our link and go ahead and sign it. So this link you would send to the person that's buying the property. So this one, it pre-populated the address, but it pre-populated the buyer. So let's go ahead and fix it real quick. So we're going to send it to draft, and then we're going to fix so it's going to be the seller name here. So we can add a custom value for the seller name. Let's go ahead and add a custom value pretty much like this. And this is going to be seller, contact full name, and then buyer. We're going to add a field. And this field is going to be for us. And send. I'm going to send it again, resend, and then we're going to sign our part. And we're good to go. And that's pretty much it. That's how you send a document. And you can send the link for the prospect through text message as well. So we're going to go ahead and sign this up, select the date, and then we're going to go ahead and sign it. You can draw as well. You can sign it. That's it, ladies and gents. That's it. It's going to tell you if there's anything missing, which is just the date for today's date, and then you're going to click finish. And that'll be it. I'll see you guys on the next video.